My name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another quick, yummy episode of Man Cake. Forgot what I was saying. Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy, quick episode of Man Cake. Today, we're going to be tackling perfect and super easy white cake. So let's go ahead and get started. And before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. With our mixing bowl already filled with 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, we're going to go ahead and add in 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Then we're going to go ahead and give these a quick little whisk. Once whisked, we're going to go ahead and scoot those over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that we're going to go ahead and add in 1 1/2 cups of white sugar and 1 stick of butter. Then with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're going to go ahead and cream our butter and sugar until they're both light and pale and fluffy and just look delicious. Once you have that perfect light fluffy texture and that nice pale color, we're going to follow that by adding in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and beat that in on a medium-high speed until well incorporated. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in 5 egg whites and mix on a medium speed until well incorporated. Next, we're going to add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now you can use regular vanilla. I'm going to be using clear vanilla today just because I don't really like to tint the white cake batter too much. So we already have the butter, we already have the oil. So, clear vanilla helps keep it that as white as possible, that nice crisp white. There's like 50 shades of white, right? So how would you describe white cake? Mother of pearl white. Then we're going to go ahead and incorporate that on a low speed with our hand mixer into our wet mixture. Once that's all mixed in, we're going to take our dry ingredients plus 1 cup of milk and alternate each addition and making sure we mix very well after we add each batch of ingredients. So add a little bit of dry, a little bit of milk, and give it a nice little mix. And then back in with a little more dry, rest of our milk, and back in with a little more mix. And the last of our flour mixture. And with our hand mixer on that medium-low speed, we're going to go ahead and mix until all of our ingredients are fully incorporated into our batter. Once our batter is all finished, we're going to go ahead and pour that into our prepared pans. Some flour around the sides, some parchment paper on the bottom so there's no sticky bottoms. I don't think I've ever said bottoms that many times in one sentence. Then we're going to go ahead, toss this in the oven, and let bake for 35 minutes or until our cake tester comes out clean. So our cake is baked, it's cooled, it smells like so good in here. And once it's done, you can decorate any way you want to, or I've got some fun little decorating videos. I'll throw those links down below if you want to check them out. But that's all I have for you this week. And if you get to make and try your own delicious vanilla cake, give a tag on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest even. Let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. And if you'd like even more delicious recipes, or if you're new to the channel and like to show your support, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can stay up to date, and you can YouTube will let you know when I'm throwing up new recipes and new videos. And I'm gonna go and eat some white cake and enjoy a nice cup of coffee, because that's what I do. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.